You tell Jabba that I've got his greeting card. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you are a Star Wars fan, not a Star Trek fan, Trekkers, Star Wars, you might like this because I found this 3D pop-up greeting card by Hallmark, signature, and it says right on here in silver foil, "May the Force be with you," because this greeting card, silver foil on the envelope too, has the Millennium Falcon on it, starry background, but inside we actually have the Millennium Falcon. So, look at that. All right, so if I just open it up like this, look at this. This sucker pops up, and now we've got the Falcon. Should kind of be ivory, but it's silver here. In 3D. Look how cool that is, man. What's an aluminum Falcon? And then it says, "Hope your day is out of this galaxy." 13 parsecs. Yeah, that's pretty gnarly, dude. I like how it kind of angles up. It kind of has that motion in the card. And then you can write down here, put your particular greeting. "Dear Boba Fett, happy birthday, love, Jango Fett." If you are looking for the perfect greeting card for the Star Wars fan in your life, well, I think this is it. I'll put a link to this card in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.